Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting and simple way of coming up with new sentences in English. We all struggle with making sentences in English. That is the problem. We are not very confident of speaking in English just because we feel that we are not capable of coming up with new sentences in English, right? Or we are not capable of expressing our ideas in terms of sentences or proper sentences. So today I'm going to solve your problem of coming up with new sentences or constructing new sentences or building new sentences in English. How do we do that? To get fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So we all struggle with making new sentences in English. And just because we are not able to put up or come up with a proper sentence, we don't feel confident of speaking in English, right? But as I always tell you, start speaking in English from day one. The time you start listening or absorbing or creating an English environment around you, just by listening, watching or reading, start speaking as well. In broken English, in half sentences or phrases, but do talk in English. Start speaking. Start giving output. Okay, that is very much essential. And of course, you can go stepwise as well, which I'm going to tell you how. Okay, so the first method is, or the first step is, pick up words in English. Okay, so look around yourself. If you are at your home or in your kitchen or in your balcony or in your hall room or outside anywhere, school, college, office, mall, hotel, restaurant, food court, theater, anywhere, look around yourself and see what all objects or things are visible, what you can see, right? So pick up those words in English. Start naming them in English. That is the first step of coming up with new sentences. So if you start knowing what it is called in English, then only you'll be able to make sentences about it, right? For example, I am at a food court. I don't know what this place is called. How do I talk about it? Right? Does that make sense? Yes, absolutely. So that is why if you are at a movie theater or a multiplex or a food court or a restaurant or a podium or a balcony or a showroom or a store, etc. So lots of places we go to, right? Or we are in. And there are lots of things around us which we see. We should know what it is called in English just to start speaking about it. So that is very much essential. So the first thing is you have to start wherever you are, look around, start thinking about it in English, about that place in English. So basically, if I'm here at this corner of my house, I should start thinking in English about it, what all things I can see. There's a chair. Okay, flower pot, artificial flower, wall. I have a laptop with me, so laptop. Okay, a mic, etc. So basically, whatever you see around, wherever you are in, just start naming things in English. Now, step number 2. What you have to do is come up with some related words. For example, I'll make things very clear for you. Chair. People sit on a chair, right? So sit, relax, chill, or Shoot a video. Work. People sit on a chair and work. Right? So work. Flower vase or flower pot. Decoration. Beautiful. Black color. Red, white and pink flowers. Golden stand. Laptop. Work. Watch movie. Listen to songs. Prepare presentations, etc. There are lots of words related to that object or thing or scenario you can talk about. Now suppose I am sitting here and shooting a video. So I can talk about it also. So I'm shooting a video. What all related words I can think of? Content creation, camera, laptop, mic, talk, sit, right? These are the related words I can think about. Okay, describing this scenario what I am in. Or example, if you are at a movie theater, what you can think about? What are the related words you can think of? A screen or a big screen rather. Sound boxes, chairs, people sitting, popcorn, nachos, cold drink, tea or coffee, whistles, people do whistle, right? Whistles, or people do shout or cheer. So there are lots of related words which we can think of while sitting or standing or being in a situation. So the first step is start naming everything in English what you can see around you. Then pick up a word and start thinking of related words, right? How you can describe or what all words you can think about related to that word. Like a flower pot or a movie theater or a laptop or a shoot, video shoot or a mobile or anything else, right? And at a mall, if you're at a mall, at a food court, what you can think of, right? You can just come up with related words about it. And the third step will be come up with sentences. Now, what you can do is you can combine all the words. You can combine the main word with related words to weave a story or to come up with a new sentence. For example, if I've taken an example of a food court, right? Let's take food court. Let's come up with related words to food court or about food court. Food outlets, choices, cuisines, people eating, chairs and tables, right? Menu, order food, right? Eat, etc. There are lots of related words we can think of and we can talk about. Now let's gather all these words and come up with sentences. Okay, so this is a food court. People order food here. We have a lot of choices. Different cuisines are available at a food court. The tables and chairs for people to sit and eat or enjoy their food. I want to order Chinese. The food has come, let's eat. Okay, so this is how you start weaving a story around it or you start coming up with sentences around it. So you have a main word which is food court, and there are related words around it what you can see. Just what you can see, you can just talk about it. You can start using those or naming those words. Okay, and now the third step will be combine everything together and speak, come up with sentences. This is a food court. Is it difficult to come up with, guys? Right? I'm going to order food. Or I'll order Chinese. People are enjoying their food. There are lots of food outlets here. Stalls here. Whatever you feel like. Okay. Tables and chairs are available to sit and eat. Right? So these are simple sentences which you can come up with and you can just describe that thing. Example number 2. You are at a movie theater. Right? So movie theater is a word. Now let's come up with related words. a big screen, sound boxes, chairs, people sitting, watching movie, eating popcorn or nachos, drinking tea or coffee, right? Now the third step is let's combine everything and come up with sentences around it. Okay, the first sentence will be, this is a movie theater. I have come to watch a movie. There's a big screen. The sound is very clear. The sound boxes help us to listen clearly. People are enjoying the movie. I'm having popcorn along with a cold drink. This movie is very interesting. People are enjoying the movie. People are whistling and cheering. Okay, so these are the things you can talk about the movie theater or about the movie you are watching. Okay, so this is how you can have to be creative. You have to come up with things or sentences. This is how you have to force your brain or train your brain to come up with sentences in English. Okay, I'll take another simple example like a flower. Okay, so what are related words we can come up with? Flower, beautiful, smells good, bright color or red in color, whatever you want to choose. Butterfly, garden, water, etc. So these are some words which I've come up with related to flower. Now let's join everything and come up with sentences. Okay, around it with these words. Okay, this is a beautiful flower. It's red in color. It looks so bright and fresh. It smells so good. Right? I love this flower. This garden is full of flowers. Lots of butterflies around the flower. The gardener waters the plant every day. Okay, so this is how you can come up with related words and then sentences about it. So choose any item, anything, any object, any scenario which you are in or you can see, and then come up with related words. What you can think of about that. See whatever you can think about with that word. Okay, whatever comes to your mind related to that word. And then start making sentences with those words, related words. Okay, mix everything, combine everything together and come up with sentences. Simple sentences. Just to describe that. Okay, so this is a very beautiful exercise, very interesting exercise and very easy exercise to come up with new sentences in English or to start making sentences in English. So this is for beginners and intermediate as well. Okay, if you start if you start coming up with new sentences, if you try to make sentences with words and combining words, this will be very helpful for you. So start practicing in this way to come up with new sentences, and once you're confident, it will be very easy for you to speak fluently and confidently on any topic, anywhere, with anyone, anytime. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.